Now that we have SQL Server all set up and the service is running, we need an easy way to manage the server. And the best way to manage the server is through a user interface. Lucky for us, Microsoft has provided a software package to manage the server through a GUI. So let's get started and to download and install that package. The package that I'm talking about is named Microsoft SQL Server Management Studios. And you can download it by just simply typing that. So we're going to type in Microsoft SQL Management Studio Express 2005, and for good measure, just type in Service Pack 4 as well. We're going to click on the very first link, which should bring us to our download page. Like always, we're going to take a look at the system requirements, and you can pause the video here to see if you meet it. And I'm going to click on the download link. Now, there's two downloads here, one for 32-bit processors and another for 64-bit processors. I guess I am running on a 64-bit Windows 7 installed, so I'm going to click on the second download. And click on Next. And we're just going to save it to our local download folder, and I'm going to bring up the progress. After it's done downloading, right click on the file and open the container folder. And then right click on that file and then just click on install. Click on Run, and simply we'll get their GUI interface to install Management Studios. Click on Next, and I'll type in your name and the company if you do wish so. And I'm just going to install it on my local hard drive. Click on Next, and then click on Next again. This can take a while, so I might not have to fast forward this portion of the video. Okay, the install is done. Let's click on Finish. Now we want to run it for the very first time, so we can do that by clicking on the Start menu. And let me hide all these first. So click on the Start menu, All Programs, and then it should be in Microsoft SQL Server 2005 folder, and there's the Management Studios above at the very top. Let's click on that, and what it does is it will find your current install, which is just the computer name / SQL Express, and we're going to use Windows authentication. So basically it's going to log into the server using your current Windows account, which is okay. Click on Connect, and well, if it doesn't show any errors, then we're in. As you can see on the left side of the screen, we have databases, security, logins, and we have built-in users, and SA, which stands for, I think, server admin, and management and replications. What we want to do now is to create a new database in the database folder, and we're going to name this DC. This should prompt an error when we press OK, because we do not have the rights to create a database on our database server just yet, because the account that we use doesn't have that permission. As you can see, it threw error, and it is suspected. And what we're going to do in the next couple minutes is to create an account that has the permissions to create a new database on the database server. Alright, in our next video, we'll grant ourselves admin access to the SQL Server database. Alright, see you next time.